Nifty 50 daily chart. September 2016. To be precise, 14 September 2016. Nifty is at 8726.60, and now Nifty is going to start a downtrend, following which we will try to search for a broadening bottom and trade with it. As you can see, Nifty has started going downwards, breaking its uptrend. It's falling with a little bounce and then again falling, and here we observe sharp movement in Nifty's prices. Now here, as we observe, when we come to November and December 2016, we observe at a point where there are a chance of a broadening bottom forming. We got a low, we got a high. Now what we need is a low lower than this low and a high higher than this high. So making the trend lines, first I will make the trend line of this downtrend, and then I will make the trend lines for the broadening bottom formation. Now Nifty again starts to fall and forms a low lower than the previous low over here. So we get a trend line, and this trend line will act as a support for a bounce or act as a breakout level towards downside in case Nifty falls again to this level. Now post this, Nifty is trying to make another high, higher than the previous high. Over here it made another high on 13th Jan. Let's confirm it by a candle not crossing it above. Yes, now the high is confirmed and we can draw this trend line. For clarity, I will delete these two trend lines, and as we can see, the mouth is widening as the chart progresses. Now this above trend line will act as a resistance level from where the Nifty can fall, or a breakout level towards upside when it touches that line. Now on this candle we got a breakout, but there are two things now. Some investors trade on this candle, some wait for a throwback or a retracement back to this trend line. If we wait for a few candles, here we get a throwback or a retracement, and on this candle we get a confirmation, meaning from here Nifty has a high chance of giving a profit. Now the height of this pattern, meaning the last low to last high, is 567 points, and when I mark it over here to this breakout level, Nifty should easily touch 9,000, making a new all-time high at that position. Let's see over a few days that our target gets achieved or not. We are in profit currently. Nifty has started consolidating. Now let's see if Nifty gives a big move of 6.66% over the next few days. Here, 14th March 2017, we achieved our target. If we go to the buying point over here, we get a target, we get a profit of about 4%, and the days it took for this profit to happen is just 27 bars or 41 days, which is very good for trading in Nifty. Therefore this pattern is very effective and can give you good amount of profit if applied correctly or traded correctly. Just one more thing, in this pattern we bought at this level, so our stop loss will be over here. Why over here and why not over here? Because the stop loss is below previous high and the previous high is here. Sometimes the stock might come to previous high again to bounce back, or sometime come over here even just a little below previous high to trigger stop losses of traders. Therefore, it should be considerably below. I have taken stop loss at 120 points below that level, meaning 120 points below 8,460, about 1.5% roughly.